Hello all. Today in this video we will explore the mesmerizing world of fractals and learn how to create the stunning art of Mandelbrot set using MATLAB programming. The Mandelbrot set is a captivating mathematical object discovered by Benoit Mandelbrot in the 1970s. It's a type of mathematical fractal which is an infinitely complex geometric shape that exhibits self-similarity at different scales. The Mandelbrot set is generated through a simple iterative process involving complex numbers. So now that you have understood what is fractals and Mandelbrot set, let's dive into the MATLAB code. So first we will define properties for our image such as its width, height and the range of coordinates on the complex plane. Next we will create a blank matrix of zeros to store the pixel data. This image matrix will hold the color information for each pixel of our Mandelbrot set. Next we will use the nested for loop to iterate through each pixel of the image. Inside the loop we map the pixel coordinates to the corresponding coordinates on the complex plane using the map function. Here we have used the custom Mandelbrot function to determine the color of each pixel based on the number of iterations required for the complex number to escape a certain threshold value. These commands will assign the colors to the corresponding pixels in our image matrix. To display the output image, we use the IMShow function. Before showing the Mandelbrot set image, we will understand these custom functions. Let's explore a custom map function used in our code. This function takes 5 input arguments and returns a single output value result. Here we have used the mapping formula which linearly scales and shifts the input value to fit within the target range. This function is used to map pixel coordinates from image space to corresponding coordinates on the complex plane. Next we have declared a custom function named Mandelbrot using the function keyword. This Mandelbrot function takes 3 input arguments and returns 3 output arguments RGB. Next we perform variable initialization over here. The for loop used here iterates to determine whether a given complex number belongs to the Mandelbrot set. This loop continues to iterate till the magnitude of the complex number exceeds the value of 4. These are all the Mandelbrot set iterative formulas. The function uses these formulas to calculate next iteration of the complex number. At last, the function maps the number of iterations to the RGB color values. This color varies as per the sine and cosine values of number of iterations. So now after executing this code, this is the final image of the Mandelbrot set. So thank you for watching the video. Do like the video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments or get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future. MATLAB is our future. Happy MATLABing.